Hello everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take another class from mathematics, that is derivative and fast order. So this is the lecture number 4. Okay. So the question is, if fx is equal to 3 plus x by 1 plus x whole to the power 2 plus 3x, then find the value of f dash 0. That is, you have to first derivative this you have to find f dash x is what. After that you have to put x equal to 0 here, and the value will be what we have to find out. So let's start. So here given fx is equal to 3 plus x 1 plus x whole to the power 2 plus 3x, right? I take log in both side, taking log both side. You can write here taking logarithm both side. Okay, now log 3 plus x by 1 plus x whole to the power 2 plus 3x. So log fx equal to, this will become in front of log, and here log 3 plus x by 1 plus x, right? So log fx equal to 2 plus 3x into log 3 plus x, okay, minus log 1 plus x. There is a formula of log, is not it? There is a formula log a to the power m is equal to what? Log m log a, is not it? And if log a into b, a by b, it will become log a minus log b. Okay, so now differentiate in the both side. So if I differentiate both sides, the ddx of log fx, here it will become u into b. It is u and b. So u will be 2 plus 3x d by dx log 3 plus x log 3 plus x minus log 1 plus x. Okay, now this become 1 by fx into f dash x. Now if I do here also there is log 3 plus x into 1 plus x into ddx of what? ddx of 2 plus 3x. Okay, this one is u and this one is b, and I can write this one also in this form, is not it? I write 3 plus x by 1 plus x here, okay, and ddx of b, u. So after derivative it is become, if I do derivative this one, it will become 1 by 1 plus 3x by 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, here it is become 3 plus x by 1 plus x into 3. So f dash x is what? fx equal to 2 plus 3x into, if I do LCM here, 1 plus x minus 3 minus x by 3 plus x 1 plus x. Okay, and here 3 into log 3 plus x 1 plus x. And now come here. Now come here. This one will be cancelled. Okay, and I put the value of x is what? Putting x is equal to 0. Okay, if I put x equal to 0, what will become? It is become f dash 0 equal to, now here we have to write the value of fx is here. So f dash x equal to, fx is what? 3 plus x by 1 plus x 2 plus 3x, okay, into what? 2 plus 3x, 2 plus 3x into minus 2 by 2 plus 3x into minus 2 by 3 plus x into 1 plus x, okay, plus 3 into log 3 plus x by 1 plus x. Now if you putting x equal to 0, so it is became if you put x equal to 0, what is became? It becomes f dash 0, and this one will be 3 plus 0, 3 by 1 whole to the power 2, and here 2 into minus 2 by 3 into 1, and here 3 into log 3 by 1. Okay, so it is 9 into minus 4 by 3 plus 3 log 3, and if I multiplied by 9, it will become minus 12 plus 27 log 3. So therefore we can write f dash 0 is what? F dash 0 is 27 log 3 minus 12. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so take a screenshot here. So what I am doing, let me explain in 10 seconds again. This is one is given, where to find out f dash 0 is what. So first I take this one and taking logarithm function in both sides. Take log both sides. Okay, so after taking log both sides, this part will become in font, and after that it is in the form of u into b. So I simplified it. I use the formula ddx of u into b. Okay, after simplification, after differentiate it, it will become 1 by log x. That is ddx of log x is 1 by x. Here it is become ddx of fx, means f dash x. Okay, after differentiations, what becomes? It will become f dash x is equal to fx into 2 plus 3x into x will be cancelled. That is 1 plus x minus 3 minus x plus 3 log 3 plus x by 1 plus x. So after simplification, this is the f dash x. Now put the value of x is 0 to 0. That is f dash 0 means x equal to, put x equal to 0. After putting x equal to 0, this is the answer. Okay, so now we will do the next question. So the next question is question number 2 in lecture 4. X to the power m, if x to the power m into y to the power n equal to x plus y whole to the power m plus n, then prove that dy dx is y by x. Okay, so we have to prove it. So I take the x to the power m, y to the power n equal to x plus y whole to the power m plus n. Okay, fine. Now I take log both sides. Okay, so if I take log e to the x to the power m, y to the power n, x plus y whole to the power m plus n. Now it is become log x to the power m plus y to the power n. It is m plus n whole to the power log x plus y. There is a one formula, log a into b is log a plus log b. Okay, there is one formula, log a into b is log a plus log b, right? Okay, now it is log x and it will be n log y. So m plus n whole to the power log x plus y. Okay, now differentiate. That is the ddx of log x, ddx of log y, it will be m plus n, and ddx of log x plus y. So it is become 1 by x, it is n 1 by y dy by dx. Okay, and it is become 1 by x plus y, it is become 1 plus dy dx. So m by x, n by y dy dx, and it is become m plus n x by y, that is 1 plus dy dx. M by x, n by y dy dx. So it is become m plus n x plus y m plus n x plus y and dy dx. Okay, now come here. It's so simple. Okay, it's what I am doing here. I am doing this. I take the log and I split the logarithmic formula, and after that I take the differentiations, okay, with respect to x. So now we take all dy dx in the left side. So it will be m plus n by x plus y dy dx equal to what? That is m plus n by x plus y minus m by, sorry, it is m by n, no, n by n, okay, m by y, sorry, it is m by y, it is m by y, and here it is here. Now take dy dx is common, and here it is m by x, it is m by x. So if I take dy dx here, it will become 1 minus y, that is m plus n. I write as much as all the steps here. I don't give here any step jumps, okay. So if I multiply it will be mx plus nx minus mx plus ny, and here also I do LCM. So if I LCM, it will be nx plus ny minus my minus ny, okay, and here mx will be cancelled, so nx minus ny will be there, and here also x into x plus y, and x plus x also here cancel. So here we can write this one will be cancelled. So dy by dx will be here nx minus my by y, and here also nx minus ny by x. This one also cut, okay. And so dy dx is what? It will be y by x, okay. So this is the answer and proved. So it's so simple. You just differentiate this one. First take log, and after the differentiate this one, and after differentiations take all the dy dx in the left side and all the without dy dx term in the right side, and after that take common and doing LCM, and it will become dy dx is equal to y by x, okay. Just take a screenshot here. So students, the next question, the third question of the lecture 4 is, if y equal to log root over 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, then show that dy dx is equal to cos x, okay. So what is given here? Y equal to log root under 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So now we just split this part, log, we can write here 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, is not it? Root means power is half, right? Now take this half in front by using logarithm. So 1 minus x by 1 plus cos x. So split this logarithm function 1 minus cos x by 1 minus 1 plus cos x, okay. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy dx, it will be 1 by 2, and if I derivative this one, dy by dx log 1 minus cos x, and d by dx log 1 plus cos x. Now it will be 1 minus cos x, and log x is what, sir? Log x is 1 minus 1 by x, is not it? So x is what, sir? Here x is what? X is 1 minus cos x, so 1 by 1 minus cos x, and after differentiate it will become 0, and cos x is plus sin x, okay. Here also 1 by 1 plus cos x after differentiation, and it will become 0 minus cos x, right? So 1 by 2, it is become sin x, so it will be sin x, so it will be sin x by 1 minus cos x, plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. Now come here. Therefore dy dx is what? Dy dx 1 by 2 sin x, take sin x common, it will be left, here will be left 1 by 1 minus cos x, 1 by 1 plus cos x. Now do LCM here. 1 by 2 sin x, 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. Okay, it will become 1 plus cos x plus 1 minus cos x. This one will cancel, so 1 by 2 sin x into 2 by 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so 1 by 2 will cancel, sin x by sin square x. This one will cancel, so 1 by sin x. So 1 by sin x is what? Cosec x. Therefore we can write dy dx is equal to cosec x. Okay, so it is proved, or you can say showed. Okay, so let me explain in 1 second again. So what is given here? Here y equal to log root over 1 minus cos x. I split this power, that is 1 by 2, and after that use the logarithmic formula. This one is became, and now you differentiate both sides with respect to x. After differentiating, this one will be become, and after simplifying, that is dy dx will be cosec x. Okay, so next question. So the next question, that is question number 4 of lecture 4. Okay, the question 4 is, if y equal to root over of tan x plus root under tan x plus root under tan x plus dot infinite, that is up to infinite, then we have to prove that dy dx is sec square x by 1 minus 2y. Okay, so let's try. This one is given, so y equal to root under tan x plus root under tan x plus root over tan x plus dot up to infinite. Okay, so on, look at here what I am doing. We can write this part is y, is not it? If I add one part or take one part, subtract one part, if I add one part and subtract one part from infinite, it will become always infinite, is not it? So if I consider this one is left and take this one also, we can write y also. Okay, so it will be y, and here it will be y square, squaring both side, and will be y. So differentiate both side with respect to y, x. So tan x is sec square x, it will be dy dx again. Now take this part in the left side, so dy dx minus dy dx equal to sec square x. So dy dx is common, so 2y minus x, it will be sec square x. Okay, now so dy dx is what? So dy dx is sec square x minus 2y minus 1. Okay, okay, so what I am doing here, I take this part and I consider this part is also y. We can write, because if I add one part with infinite, it will become always infinite. If I subtract one part from infinite, it will always become infinite. Okay, so we can write this part is y. So after that, I squaring both side and differentiate with respect to x, and take all the dy dx term in the left side, and I common dy dx, and after that it becomes sec square x by 2y minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay, take a screenshot. Now, so the next question is the 5th number question. If y equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x, it is in the form infinite. Okay, so we have to prove this one. So take this part again, y equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus dot dot dot. Okay, infinite. Now we can write here also this part again we can write as y. Okay, so it is will be x plus 1 by y, because I left one part again. So if you take one part from infinite number of parts, it will always remain in infinite. So now differentiate, it will be dy dx, it is 1, it is minus 1 by x square. Now I just take LCM, do LCM here. There is xy plus 1 by y, and it is become y square xy plus 1. So it is become 2y dy dx, and here x, here also u into b, dy dx plus y into d by dx into x, and here 0. So 2y dy dx, it is what, x into dy dx plus y into 1 plus 0. Now 2y and dy dx minus x dy dx equal to y. So dy dx is what, 2y minus x is equal to y. So dy dx is y by 2x minus x. So this is the answer. So y by 2y minus x is the answer. So what I am doing here, I take this part, and this one we can write again y also. Okay, like the previous questions, and after that I LCM and multiply cos, both side in cos. So take differentiation with respect to x, and after that take all the dy dx in the left side, since it is have to find out. So after the dy dx is y by 2y minus x is came. Okay, so next question. So the next question is differentiate tan inverse this part with respect to this one when x not equal to 0. This question is came in CBSE 2014. Okay, so how can I differentiate this one? After that all the questions will be in differentiate with respect to x or whatever, this with respect to y or what. or with respect to t or with respect to b. Okay, so now how can I do this one, sir? All time we differentiate with respect to x either or with respect to y. Now we have to differentiate this term with respect to this. So for that we take this part is u and this part is b. Okay, after that I differentiate u with respect to b and b with respect to u, and after that we have to find out du by db is what. Okay, and it comes the differentiation this part with respect to this part, right? Now let u equal to tan inverse root over 1 minus x square by x. Okay, tan inverse root over 1 minus x square by x. So here I take, let x is equal to what? X equal to sin theta. It is in the form root. I use the root second rule. Okay, first rule, that is root over 1 minus s square minus x square formula. So I take x equal to sin theta, therefore theta will be sin inverse x. So here tan inverse what? Root over 1 minus sin squared theta, and here will be sin theta. Okay, so tan inverse it will become root over cos squared theta by sin theta. So tan inverse it is become cos theta by sin theta. That is, it is become tan inverse what? Cot theta. So cot theta we can convert. It is in the form of tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta, is not it? Tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. Now tan will be cancelled out, pi by 2 minus theta. So pi by 2 minus theta is what? Sin inverse x. Now differentiate u, this one is u, is not it? This one is u. Now differentiate u with respect to x. So du by dx is what? This one is constant, will be 0, and sin inverse x is root over 1 minus x square. So it is become minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, right? Now take, and this part is b, it is cos inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, cos inverse 2 into sin theta root over 1 minus cos square theta, and cos inverse, that is 2 sin theta, it will become cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is what? Sin 2 theta, is not it? So it is cos inverse sin 2 theta, right? So it will be cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Cos will be cancelled. So what will be left here? Pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay, so b is what? This one. So theta is sin inverse x. Now differentiate b with respect to x, it is become 0, and it will be become 1 by root over 1 minus x square, that is minus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Now we differentiate this part by this part. This one is u, so du by db. We can write du by dx or db by dx. du by dx by db by dx. Okay, just put the below du by dx is what? Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Here will be minus 2 by root over 1 minus x square. After simplification, what becomes? 1 by 2 will be the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay, so du by dx will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is the correct answer, final answer. Okay, so it's so simple. It's so simple. So the next question is differentiate this part with respect to this part. This is the similar question of the previous questions. Okay, similar type questions. So again we take this one is u and this one is b. After that we differentiate du by dx is what and db by dx, and after that I have to find out du by db. Okay, so now take, let tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So here I consider, let x equal to tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. So now put here, let u, here let u equal to, okay, u equal to this one. So now u equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That will be tan inverse tan 2 theta. Tan inverse will cancel out, it will become 2 theta. So theta will be what? Tan inverse x. Now differentiate u with respect to b. So du by dx is 2 into d by dx tan inverse x. Okay, so 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. So it is become 2 by 1 plus x square. Here again this one is b and b equal to this one sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So here also it will be 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, right? So here will be sin inverse sin 2 theta, that is 2 theta. So theta will be tan inverse x. Now differentiate dv by dx, it is become 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square again. So therefore du by dx, du by dv is what? Du by dx, is not it? du by dv. Okay, so it is become dv by dx. Now du by dx is what? 2 by 1 plus x square. Here also it is become 2 by 1 plus x square. So this one will be cancelled, so answer will be 1. So du by dv is what? This is 1. Okay, so this is the correct answer. So what I am doing here? What I am doing here? This is simple. I take u is here, this one is u and this one is b, and after that I take x is equal to tan theta, putting this one and use trigonometry formula, and after that I differentiate it with respect to x, and this one is became 2 by x square, and again similar process I doing here, and it is become dv by dx is become 2 by 1 plus x square, and after that du by dv is what? Du by dx by dv by dx. Put the value of dv by dx is 2 by 1 plus x square, and again 2 by 1 plus x square. It will cancel out and answer will be 1. Okay, so the next question is, if x equal to a theta minus sin theta and y equal to a 1 minus cos theta, so we have to find out dy dx what at x equal to theta equal to pi by 2. This question is similar to the previous question, little bit different. First we have to differentiate x with respect to theta and y with respect to theta. Okay, after that we have to find out the dy dx is what at theta equal to pi by 2. Okay, so let's try. So it's so simple, not so complicated. I take this one is a theta minus sin theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. So it is become dx by d theta. Here with theta, it is become d by d theta theta, d by d theta sin theta, right? So d by theta is 1, it will be become cos theta. It's so simple. Now again y equal to is what? A 1 minus cos theta. Okay, here differentiate, again differentiate with respect to theta. So it is become dy by d theta, it is a d by d theta 1 minus d by d theta cos theta. Okay, cos theta. So it is become a1 minus 0 sin theta minus a sin theta. Okay, now dy dx is what? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Okay, fine. So put the below dy by dx is what? A, it is a minus sin theta, and it is a 1 minus cos theta. Okay, a will be cancelled, that is minus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now put the value of dy dx theta. So therefore we can write dy dx in the form theta equal to what? Pi by 2. So dy dx theta is at pi by 2. So just put the value of theta, that is sin pi by 2 by 1 minus cos pi by 2. It is become minus 1 by 1 minus 0, that is minus 1. So minus 1 is the correct answer. So what will be the answer? Minus 1. So what I am doing? I am doing just take the x and differentiate with respect to theta, and I take y and differentiate with respect to theta. After that I find dy dx is what? Dy by dt theta, dx by d theta. After simplification this one is became, and I put the value of theta here. Question is given, theta is pi by 2. Okay, and after simplification what becomes? Dy dx at theta equal to pi by 2 is minus 1. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. So our next question is, the question is, if x equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta and y equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta, then we have to find out dy dx is what. So this question is similar to previous questions. We have to find dy dx at dy dx sorry, we have to find first dx by d theta is what, and after that dy by d theta is what. Okay, after that we have to find out dy by dx is what. Okay, so write x equal to a cos theta plus theta sin theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta here. So dy, therefore dy x by d theta, here it will be d by d cos theta, and here will be d by dx theta sin theta. Okay, sin theta and sin theta. So it is a d dx of cos theta is minus sin theta, and here is u into b, use u into b formula. So it is u into d by d theta sin theta plus sin theta d into d by d theta into theta. ঠিক আছে, ঠিক? Okay, all right. I write d by d theta into theta into sin theta. It is in the form of u into b. Okay, now this is sin theta, theta is cos theta, sin theta, d by d theta is 1. So it is become minus sin theta, theta cos theta. Okay, plus sin theta will be cancelled, it is becomes theta and cos theta. So dx by d theta is this one. Now y, take y, and y equal to what? Y equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. So I will do here same again, dy by d theta equal to a, it will be cos theta, and here d by theta cos theta. Okay, so here cos theta, it is minus theta d by d theta cos theta, and cos theta and d by d theta theta. Okay, now it is cos theta, and here will be cos theta, it is plus sin theta, it is minus cos theta into 1. Okay, this one will cancel, so theta sin theta will be left. Now dy by dx is what? Dy by d theta and dx by d theta, right? Now just put the value of dy by dx is what? It is a theta into sin theta, and here it is a theta into cos theta. So this one will cancel, it will become sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. So dy by dx is equal to tan theta. Okay, so this is the answer, correct answer, final answer. So I am doing same thing like the previous questions. First I differentiate x with respect to theta, then I differentiate y with respect to theta, then I find the value of dx by dy by dx is what. Okay, so next question. So guys, the next and last question of first order derivative. Okay, this is the last question of first order derivative, and this is the lecture number 4, and lecture number 1, lecture number 2, lecture number 3, lecture number 4 is the first order derivative. I am giving all the content, and if you go through this all the questions, and if you doing by heart and with concept, then you can do any questions from first order derivative. This may be from state board, or you may be in CBSE, or you may be in ICSE also. Okay, the last question is similar to previous questions. If x equal to 3 sin t minus sin 3t, y equal to 3 cos t minus cos 3t, then find dy dx at t equal to pi by 3, that is t equal to 60 degree. This question came in CBSE 2005. Okay, now here first we have to differentiate find x with respect to t. After that we have to differentiate y with respect to t. After that we have to find out dy dx is what, like the previous questions. Okay, so let's take x is equal to 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Now differentiate x with respect to t. Okay, so therefore dx by dt, it will become d by dt sin t minus d by dt sin 3t. So it is becomes cos t, it is become 3 cos 3t. Okay, 3 cos 3t. ddx of sin mx is what, m sin x. Okay, m cos mx. So after that I take again y equal to what, 3 cos t minus cos 3t. Again differentiate with respect to t, differentiate y with respect to t. Okay, we get dy by dt. Here is d by dt what, cos t, and d by dt cos 3t. Now it is became minus sin t, and it is become 3 plus sin 3t. Okay, plus sin 3t. Now come here. Now we have to find out the value of dy dx is what. So dy dx is dy by dt dx by dt. Okay, so just put the value of dy dx is what, minus 3 sin t plus 3 sin 3t, here 3 cos t minus cos 3t, 3 cos 3t, it will be 3 here, 3 cos 3t. Okay, 3 cos 3t, 3 cos 3t. Now put the value of t, what, put t is pi by 3. So dy by dt t equal to pi by 3, it is become minus 3 sin pi by t plus 3 sin 3 into pi by 3. Here also 3 cos pi by 3 minus 3 cos 3 into pi by 3. So 3 will be cancelled. So it is become minus 3 sin pi by 3, this sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Here root 3 by 2. Here plus it will become sin pi. Sin pi is what? 0. Sin pi is 0. I can write here 0 also. And here also 3 cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 minus 3 cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1. So it is become minus 3 root 3 by 2. And here 3 by 2 minus plus 3. So after simplification it is become minus 3 root 3, and here it will be 2 will be cancelled, so 6 9 it is become 3, that is minus 1 by root 3. So dy dx will become minus 1 by root 3 is the correct answer or desired answer. Okay, so what I am doing here, sir, I take first x here and differentiate with respect to t, this one became, and I take y here and differentiate with respect to t, and this one is came. Now we find dy dx is what? So dy dx we can split this one like that, dy by dt divided by dx by dt. After that I put the value, and here I put the value of x t equal to pi by 3 also. So after simply what becomes? It becomes minus 3 into 3, minus 3 root 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2, and after simplification what becomes? The final answer is minus 1 by root 3. So this is the correct answer or final answer. So the first order derivative is completed, and soon the second order derivative will come soon. And second order derivative, most probably there will be 2 videos, near about 40 minutes or 40 minutes. Or if I take all the second order derivatives in a single video, it will become longer. It will take near about 1 hour and 90 minutes or 80 minutes. That's why I am splitting. I will split the videos in 2 lectures. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.